Scotty Martin, happy Walleye Wednesday. This one's for you, buddy. Oh, he's feisty, and he's off.
Hey folks, yes it is. It's Walleye Wednesday yet again. Thanks so much for joining me. Last week we had the pleasure of being down at the Blue Water Anglers Hatchery down in Point Edward, and hatchery master Jake took us on a tour and showed us how rainbow trout and salmon are produced within that facility, and they do some great work. This week is kind of like part two. We're going to enjoy the fruits of their labor. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I am heading north to Owen Sound to hook up with a good friend of mine, Linda Miller, as well as Tony DeGasperis from Action Fishing Adventures, and we are hoping to get out on Georgian Bay and hook into some of those rainbow trout that Blue Water Anglers Hatchery have stocked. Anyway, hop along, join in, let's head north, and let's go get some rainbow trout. From the waters of Owen Sound and Georgian Bay, aboard the Action Fishing Adventures and our good captain, Tony DeGasperis, we all like to wish you a happy
Walleye Wednesday!
So your fishery basically starts what time of year?
Last 2 weeks of April,
Yeah.
prime time.
And that's the salmon starting to come in? Yeah.
Smoked salmon following bait fish, and bait fish are coming in the spot.
And you're catching, what, 8-9 pounders?
Yeah, there's a lot, 5 to 10 pound range.
And how many roughly are you catching per trip?
Slow day would be 5.
Wow.
Really good day would be 30.
Come on, fishing.
That didn't take long, eh,
No,
Scotty?
it didn't. What have we been on the water? 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
Just got the lines in.
We are in the Sound of Owen. We are fishing for rainbow. And she is reeling in our first fish of the day.
Nice.
job, Linda! Beautiful. Look at the colors.
Got some
This is a hot fish lure. Tony Casper special. And you've been selling these lures for how long now, Tony?
Doing a business since 2006.
2006. Wow. And this is just your homemade average scent that you're putting on?
This is Mike's.
Mike's. Oh, hey, Mike.
Mike's. So it's non-toxic and doesn't go rancid. You don't have to clean your lure off after going fishing.
Interesting.
So
And I noticed that you only put it at the end.
yeah, I'll put it at the
Instead of
front.
lathering the entire lure, you just put it right at the end.
I'll check the leader for nicks.
Yeah.
Give the
Get a little scent. All patent trademarks. You don't use any of this at home. Now you're also involved in the fishery. You're not just catching fish, but you also are a part of hatchery work and new reintroduction and egg collection and what have you.
stream revamp, all that stuff, educating. I try to give back and help, boost the fishery a bit.
You were there at the Mill Dam not too long ago, helping big fish over the ladder and collecting eggs, collecting salmon eggs. So it's nice to see. It's one thing to be a charter captain and making money off the resource, but to be putting back sets you aside from all the rest. It's interesting though, Tony, because you said that they were lethargic, right? That these fish, based on the water temperature, will be lethargic, yet they're hitting at 3.5 miles an hour. You certainly are. Fish you can't refuse.
You got them there, guys?
Yep, she's here.
Oh, look at that!
Wow, dark.
Dark one.
That's a real dark one.
Stage.
Nice.
That's not bad.
She's beautiful.
Oh, it's off the hook, ready to release.
Look at that.
It's ready to release.
Beautiful. Action Fishing Charters, Fishing Adventures here in Owen Sound. Tony DeGasperis has us on the fish. And they are beautiful. Mwah. Walleye Wednesday fashion. We always release our fish.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Good job.
Yes, sir. Well, it's always nice to see the captain get a chance to catch the fish. He's all hooked up. Not sure what we got on yet. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Nicely done, Captain Tony. So Perry's now hooked up.
What the heck?
Oh, no, we got another line.
Got an Atlantic salmon.
Oh, an Atlantic. Yeah, baby. Nice.
You see it's got the fin clip?
Yep.
All Atlantics in Georgian Bay, Lake Huron, Lake Michigan are stuck. For a while.
Well, this is the first Atlantic I've seen in the wild. Action Fishing Adventures. Tony DeGasperis. The sound of Owen. It's got some weight, that's for sure.
So what do you think, Scott?
I'm thinking I love this place. I'm thinking you always seem to put us on the fish too, Linda.
Oh, beauty.
Oh, nice fish. Oh, nice fish. Yeah, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Son. In typical Walleye Wednesday fashion, we always release our fish. There she goes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
You know, we caught a good number of fish that day. But while we were on our way back to the dock, I started to think about all the fish that we caught that were fin clipped. And although it was a small number, it was obvious to me that stocking does work because we did catch fish that were fin clipped. However, I want to say the majority of the fish we caught were wild run, which definitely emphasizes the need to keep our rivers and streams clean and healthy for the fish of our future.
Well, I'll tell you, what a great day we had on the water. Linda, thanks so much for setting this up.
Thanks,
Tony,
guys.
you are quite the captain. Action Fishing Adventures, you're definitely that. We caught some great fish out here on Georgian Bay in Owen Sound. First time I've ever been here. Perry, very pleasurable to meet you as well.
Good day on the water.
Absolute great day on the water. Guys, till next week, catch your limit, limit your catch, be smart anglers, and practice catch and release every chance you get. All the best, guys.
This week's episode has been brought to you by Action Fishing Adventures and Hot Fish Lures, as well as Remax Realty.